Which solution is better for you? In this video, we'll share our own experience of using both of these tools. So at the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is better for you. So watch till the end.
I've been using both Coda and Notion for about 6 months now as my main all-in-one workspaces, mostly for building databases, managing projects, and organizing content systems. Starting with Notion, it's still the most intuitive and beginner-friendly option. I've used it for everything from personal dashboards to full portfolio systems. The biggest strength is how flexible it feels visually. You can build clean pages, mix text, media, and databases, and it all just works together without much setup. It's also great for quick iteration. You can start something in minutes. The downside is that once your system gets more complex, especially with large databases, things can start to feel a bit slow and messy. The database system is powerful, but not always the most robust when you push it hard. Coda, on the other hand, feels more like a hybrid between a spreadsheet and an app builder. It took me longer to get comfortable with it, but once I did, I understood why people call it more powerful in terms of logic. The formulas are more flexible, and you can build very advanced workflows without needing external tools. It also handles structured data better than Notion, especially when you're working with interconnected tables and automation-heavy setups. But the trade-off is usability. It's less visually polished out of the box, and the learning curve is definitely steeper. Another thing I noticed is performance at scale. Coda tends to stay more stable with heavier data, while Notion can start to lag depending on how big your workspace gets. On the other hand, Notion still wins in terms of design, community templates, and ease of sharing polished pages. So the key difference is simple. Notion is better if you want speed, simplicity, and beautiful presentation. Coda is better if you want power, structure, and complex workflows. Personally, I still use Notion for most creative and portfolio work, and Coda for backend systems and more technical database setups.